Elcomen presents KOBRA 245 TS Professional Shredder, equipped with a touchscreen control panel activating the shredder functions. KOBRA 245 shreds up to 29 sheets at a time. It shreds credit cards, CDs, DVDs, and floppy disks. Shredding can be stopped and reversed just by touching the stop button. Convenient and safe 245mm main throat. When the shreds bag is full or if door is opened, shredding automatically stops with an optical indicator. The Energy Smart energy saving system puts the shredder into standby mode just after 8 seconds from the last operation and automatically switches off the machine after 4 hours of non-operation. The control panel shows a possible paper jam. 40-liter cabinet. Straight or cross-cut shreds are collected into a recyclable bag, placed on sliding tracks to make the empty operations easy. Cutting knives are made of carbon-hardened steel, unaffected by staples and metal clips. 24-hour continuous duty motor without duty cycle, and a chain drive system with metal gears provides strength and durability over the years. Automatic integrated oiler automatically lubricates the cutting knives. Automatic feeder holds up to 170 A4 sheets that are automatically shredded. In the meantime, additional sheets or CDs can be shredded through the main throat. A special lockable cover protects documents from unauthorized persons, equipped with approved high-security lock. Metal detector warns when large metal objects are accidentally inserted into the entry opening and stops the machine before they reach the cutting knives.